The art should all be put away by size and everything gets art up and is fully protected on every single corner so that nothing can get damaged on the shelf. The shelves should always look exactly like this, clean, organized, and easy to sift through and pick through for the stagers. They should be able to see every single piece, and if they can't see it because it's in a box, they should be able to see a picture on the outside of the box. All of our boxed art is together in either singles or in groups, and if it is a group like this group of divers here, they are together on the shelves so that the stylists do not need to look through the shelves for another piece. All of our New York dogs are together, all of our New York Times are together. Any series that we have a lot of, they are always together on the shelves and not scattered about. There is cardboard that is protecting any of the art that may damage the piece next to it. So in this case, this one is very heavy. It's got a wood frame, and the next piece beside it is a canvas. So we want to have cardboard in front of it in case it falls over on the shelf. It's not going to ding the canvas and make a mark in the canvas. We always need to make sure that there's no corners poking into another piece of art in the front or in the back, as that damages the canvas. All of our series art gets placed just like this. So these are our Blossfelds, and they get placed back to back. So each art piece is back to back, and then a piece of cardboard is in between. And how you know where they go is because these stickers say Blossfeld on them, and then also on the back of the art, they'll say Blossfeld. This is our Vancouver Architecture series, and how you know that this is a series is that it says Decora Framing on the back, and this is where they go, just underneath the Blossfelds. Then underneath that, we have all of our bicycle people, and again, there's a sticker that says people on bicycles. So any art that you see that looks like this, where there's a person and a bike, that's our bicycle people series, and it's also labeled on the back of the art. Then we have our water tower series, and again, it's the art is back to back, and then there's a piece of cardboard in between. Then we have our New York series and our Vela series up above, and then our Horizon series over to the right. Those two series are a lot smaller. We don't have very many pieces, so that's why there's two series on one shelf. And then next to that, we've got our Antique Cars series and our Hood Ornament series. Again, they're also both on the same shelf because we don't have as many of those ones as we do like our New Yorks or our Water Tower series. Here we have our Vanity Fair series. This one is very important to put away properly because this one we have two different kinds. So we have Vanity Fair High, which is written on the back, and then we have our Vanity Fair Middle, which is also written middle. So the difference between the two is that the middle ones, the photo is actually in the middle of the mat, and the high ones, the photo is higher on the mat. It's not in the center. Then we have our smaller pairs, so it's kind of where the pairs fit is where they go. So we have kind of our smaller pair section, which is here. So these three shelves should all be like our smaller. Here we have our smaller pairs, medium pairs, and then above is the smaller section, and they go where they fit. So we need to make sure that we're not putting anything too big, and we can't flip it over. So anything that's like tall and big goes here for art, and then we have our bigger pairs up top, and then this whole section, these three shelves are all of our singles. So any smaller singles, and then up top we have our smaller pairs, and then down below here we have our taller singles. Next to that, that'll fit over here. If they don't fit over here, then they go on the other side. So that entire row is all single pieces. No pairs go in this section.